Hey, Chris McCarthy out here in Folsom, California, where a customer loved the paint project that we did, that we added on this French door. Now, it used to be an old wooden door with glass from about here up to here. The wood was getting old, a lot of drafts. It did have a doggy door in it. So what we had to do was put a Freedom pet door right here. Now, the dog loves this part of the door right here. They can come in and out through this door. Now, at night or when you don't want the dogs coming in and out or critters going in, there's a metal plate that's inserted in there and it locks it so the house is secure, but also the dog can't get out. Or, you know, if you want to leave them out for the day, they can't get back. Just to show you how the dog work or the door works for Jojo, here's Jojo. She's still learning how to use this. There she goes. Good girl.
Now that's great for the dogs, they can come in and out, but what about humans? How does the door work? Well, let's take a closer look.
Yeah, what a difference from before and after, the amount of light that comes in this room. It's like you added a skylight or a sun tunnel into it. Wow. And here's the doggy door shield right here. So put in at night, or
like we close it every night because we don't want a critter coming in.
Yeah.
You know, especially a skunk. Or,
yeah. And then operation of it.
Okay, if you want to lock it, you raise it up.
This locks it, and this is going to send the locks in up here, here, and down here. Now if I want to unlock it, down, and that's simple.
Yeah.
Look at that. And the lock actually, the lock mechanism is this whole thing.
It's all the way up, yeah.
Where with an old wooden door, the lock was only as good as this thing right there, and the wood that they used. Beautiful.
He did a job on this thing when he put it in. It's like I've seen people put doors in and then the threshold doesn't come up and it doesn't match.
Oh yeah. And this thing is
you
going to
could
be
throw a cat underneath it, you know.
right. And this thing is sealed, so you're not going to get pests and stuff coming in or drafts coming in. There's solid hinges right there. It's a solid door.
And in case you're wondering, these come with the patio sliding doors as well.
I just wonder if that door's too big for him.
So from all of us at Reliable and our dogs, have a reliable day.